Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're just going to be doing a little quick recap of today's price. The date is Thursday, February the 19th, 2026. So, let's run through it. So first off, going into the day, my bias was pretty bearish as we generated all this sell side. We've manipulated this high, which is also in this 1 day rally gap, which is a very high. Yep. Hello. Sorry about that little interruption. Okay, but going into open, let's run it back here. So I wanted to see this high get taken within this 1 hour rally gap because I don't think it's very ethical of us to just sell off immediately. We still have a lot of unmitigated rally gaps in this range, so I like to come back and then possibly see lower in this range. We also ran through this 1 hour, which adds to the bearish bias, and on the 1 day, we respected this consequent encroachment of this wick, giving us this really big move down. Now, at open, I want to see some push up, but first we need to take liquidity. So I look at this closest low that we have, and we end up putting in a little SMT right here, just to calm himself off open. I'm not really looking for any shorts here because the model isn't very clear, and the price before wasn't very clear. Like, I'm looking for a clean reversal trade, not a continuation trade. So, NQ doesn't take this low, and ES does. Pardon me. And then now I'm wanting to see price go back up to this high and back into this 1 hour rally gap. And this is where the day starts kind of slacking behind. We slowly make our way up to this high right here, and as soon as we take this, I consider taking shorts because we now buy side and we're in this 1 hour rally gap. But it is very soon to actually take shorts here because we just had this whole move up. So I wait. Price comes up back again, and we manipulate further into this range, but we're still wicking this on like the 15-minute and stuff, so I'm not worried about price going a little bit above the midpoint of this rally gap. Here, though, ES has a change in the state. So the reason I didn't really take this is because when we come to the change in state and we're wanting to displace, I want to see fast, clean displacement, maybe like 2-3 candle max displacement. So that's what I'm looking for, and we end up just really accumulating here and not getting the displacement I want. So that leads me to believe that this is a kind of fake reversal and almost a accumulation move. So then price basically sits in this little range right here until we accumulate, and then manipulate is low. Oh wait, there was a little SMT right here, but yeah, I wasn't really interested in taking longs just because I'm not a continuation trader. I'm more of a reversal, looking for high quality. But then we actually sell off again, and I'm just like, I honestly hop off after this. I had stuff to do, but in the PM session we end up actually taking this high, and I was looking at this and I kind of faded it because I wasn't really sitting down trading. I want to be focused, confident, and have discretion to be able to take this. But change in the state, 2 candle displacement close below, and that actually would have been a very good short. Probably would have put my stop at this candle high, and then targeted the last of these lows that lots of low-hanging fruit, and eventually goes to TP. But yeah, that's pretty much all in the day. Then we continue to sell off. I think to this low, possibly if my share will load. Yeah, around there. So pretty clean, and sort of the ideas that the market wanted to do, but not in price action. I wasn't really, what's the word? I guess impressed or But well, you'll have to look at this one. You just can't execute just because it doesn't follow your model. But yeah, peace out, guys. Hope y'all caught some W's today. Unfortunately, I did not. But yeah, peace out, boys.